I get asked a lot, what is a prosthodontist? And what makes a prosthodontist different than a general dentist or other specialties? And I love my specialty so much that I'm going to talk to you about it in a passionate way. I don't think that prosthodontics is another specialty. I think it's the specialty. What makes it so important and what makes it so complete is the fact that we not only study longer to know more about reconstructive dentistry or dental implants or cosmetics or dental materials. We study more to understand how to put together a plan for any given problem in the mouth. So one of the biggest things that we learn in our residency is how to treatment plan properly. How to treatment plan, not only thinking about what's happening today, but thinking about what can happen or what would happen in the future. So when we talk about prosthodontics, we're talking about planning properly a case. Think about us as the architects of your new smile. We design the case, we plan the case, and then we build the case based on the future of your teeth, the future of your mouth, and what would look better not only today, but in the future, the near future, or in the long-term future. So prosthodontics is probably the most important specialty of all. I know this will make other specialists a little bit mad, but it's how I feel about it. And it's why I love my specialty and why I think my specialty is the best specialty out there. Thank you. I hope you have a good day, and I hope to see you soon at Uptown Cosmetic and Implant Dentistry.